Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make bootable USB flash drive in Windows. Right now I am using Windows 10 64-bit Pro version. I will make all the steps clear to you in this video. For this process you will need 3 programs. Number 1, Rufus software. Number 2, media creation tool. And number 3, Windows ISO file. To get this software Rufus, simply you have to go to your browser, then you have to go to this link, that is the official website for this software, rufus.ie. It will be shown to you like this. Simply you have to scroll it down. Then you will have an option to download this file. It's about 1 megabyte software. And number 2 program, that is media creation tool. So you can simply get this program, that is freeware. Simply you have to go to your browser. Then this is the official website of Windows 10 where you can get that program. You will have to simply ignore this one, update now, because we are not going for the Windows update. We are going for the installation media for our window. For that process, simply you have to click on this download tool now. Then you will get that application, that program. And the number 3, that is Windows 10 ISO file. This media program will simply create this ISO file. Now to get this Windows ISO file from this media creation tool, before that make sure you must be connected with your internet connection, because this media creation tool will need internet connection and that will create Windows ISO file. Now friends, simply you have to right click on that, then you have to click run as administrator. Then it will be shown to you like this. Windows 10 setup, getting a few things ready. Simply you have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then it will show you application and license term for Windows 10 setup. Then you have to simply click on accept. Then it says getting a few things ready. You have to wait for a couple of minutes. Then it will ask you about Windows upgrade or installation media for drive, DVD or ISO. Then you have to click on the second option. Then you have to click on next, because we are going to create an ISO file. This one is an ISO file, so we are going to create that ISO file. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to click on next. And after that you have to select the second option, that is ISO file. Click on that, click on next. Then it will ask you about the download location for that ISO file. Simply click on save. Now you have to wait for a while. It is downloading your ISO file. I have already downloaded this ISO file. This was just for the demonstration purpose. I have downloaded this ISO file for Windows 10 from this media creation tool. Now you need to insert USB flash drive to your PC. I am using 16 GB of USB storage. I will highly recommend you to use at least 4 GB of USB storage for this booting process. If it is containing any data or any information, right click on that and click on format. Make sure there should not be any data in your USB. It must be clean. After that you have to go to this application, right click on that and click run as administrator. The interface for this program will be shown to you like this. In a device it will show you all the inserted storages that are inserted to your PC. I am using 1 USB flash drive, so it is showing me the status of that. In a partition scheme and target system type, when you click on that, it will say MBR partition scheme, MBR partition scheme for UEFI computer, GPT partition scheme for UEFI. This MBR and GPT are basically the partition schemes for your PC. Some modern PCs are using GPT partition scheme, while the old PCs are using MBR partition. To check this, simply you have to go to this PC, right click on that, then you can click on manage. Then this window will pop up. Then you have to go to the storage section. Then you have to click on disk management. Then it will show you the disks, disk 0, disk 1. Simply click on disk 0, right click on that, and then you have to click on properties. Then this window will pop up. Then you have to click on volumes, and then it will show you the partition style. Mine is MBR master boot record, so you have to select according to that. So mine is MBR partition, so I have selected this one. And the file system, that is by default NTFS, and in a cluster size, that is by default setting, just leave as it. And in a new volume label I have selected USB. You can give your name. Make sure in this step you have to select ISO image, then you have to click on this icon, and then you have to select that ISO file, and then you have to click on start. Then this warning message will appear, will ask you about the confirmation for the removal of all of your data in your USB flash drive. Then you have to click on OK. Now you have to wait for a while. Now all the information of this Windows ISO file will be transferred to your USB flash drive. After this process, your USB flash drive will become bootable. So friends, now all the process has been done. After that you have to click on close. Now your USB flash drive has become bootable. I hope this video was really helpful for you. For more upcoming videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.